My flight is delayed for 2 hours. I can't believe it.
Oh, are you going to Paris too? I saw you looking at the same board.
No, I am going to Rome. My name is Luna, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Luna. I'm Tom. I'm waiting for the flight to Tokyo.
Tokyo? That is a very long journey across the ocean.
Yes, it's my first time traveling so far away from home.
You look very calm for a first-time long traveler, Tom.
I try to stay positive. Getting angry won't make the plane fly faster.
That is a very good philosophy. I am a travel blogger, so I am always in a hurry.
A travel blogger? That sounds like a dream job. Do you visit many countries?
I visit 2 new countries every month. My life is in a suitcase.
I always wear my favorite blue t-shirt and jeans when I travel. It's comfortable.
It's a classic look. You look ready for any adventure.
I like simple things. This small suitcase has everything I need.
I have 3 bags, one for clothes, one for my camera, and one for my laptop.
That sounds very heavy. Do you need help with your bags, Luna?
Thank you, Tom, but they have wheels. They're like my little pets.
Moving pets that don't need food. That's perfect.
Look, the board just changed. Your flight is at gate 15.
And yours is at gate 12. We are going in the same direction.
Let's walk together. The airport is huge and a bit lonely today.
I agree. It's nice to have someone to talk to while waiting.
Do you have your passport ready? I always check mine 10 times.
It's right here in my pocket. I try not to overthink it.
You are a very relaxed person, Tom. I need to learn that from you.
Just take a deep breath and look at the clouds. It helps.
I usually look at my watch, but clouds are definitely better.
Exactly. The adventure starts the moment you leave your house.
You're right. Even a delay is part of the story.
That's the spirit. Let's find our gates.
Look at that huge silver plane. It looks like a giant bird.
It's an Airbus A380. It can carry hundreds of people at once.
I love watching them take off. It feels so powerful.
It's amazing how something so heavy can stay in the air.
It's all about physics and a little bit of magic, I think.
I like the magic part of that theory.
Where are you going to stay in Tokyo? Do you have a hotel?
I'm staying in a small traditional house near a big park.
That sounds wonderful. You can see the cherry blossoms there.
That is exactly why I'm going. I want to see the pink trees.
I'm going to Rome to eat the best pasta in the world.
Pasta is great. Do you have a specific restaurant in mind?
I have a list of 10 places. I need to film them for my blog.
You work even when you eat. You are very dedicated, Luna.
It doesn't feel like work because I love it so much.
That's the best way to live. I work with computers, so I need this vacation.
Computers are quiet. Tokyo is very loud and bright. Are you ready?
I think so. I want to see the neon lights and the busy streets.
Don't forget to try the sushi there. It's very different from here.
I will try everything. I'm not a picky eater.
That's the best quality for a traveler, being open to everything.
My mom says I can make friends with anyone, anywhere.
I believe her. You have a very kind and friendly face, Tom.
Thank you, Luna. You're very easy to talk to as well.
Look, that plane just landed. The wheels made a little smoke.
It's a perfect landing. The pilot did a great job.
I want to fly a plane one day, just a small one.
That would be a very cool video for your followers.
Luna the pilot. It has a nice ring to it, doesn't it?
It definitely does. I would watch that video.
Wait a second. Let me check my ticket again.
Is something wrong? Did they change your gate?
No, look. We are both flying with the same airline.
You're right, and our flight numbers are very similar.
That's a funny coincidence. We're like travel partners now.
I'm glad I met you, Luna. It makes the waiting fun.
Me too, Tom. Usually I just sit and look at my phone.
Phones are okay, but real stories are much better.
Do you have a travel map where you mark the places you visit?
Not really. I keep all my memories in my head and a few photos.
I have a giant map on my wall. It's covered in red pins.
How many pins do you have? Over 50?
Exactly 52. I want to reach 100 by next year.
That's a lot of flying. Don't you get tired of airports?
Sometimes, but the excitement of a new city keeps me going.
I think I will be happy with just one pin for Tokyo for a while.
Every journey starts with one pin, Tom.
You speak like a very wise traveler, Luna.
It's just experience. I've lost my luggage 3 times.
3 times? What did you do?
I bought new clothes and left. You have to be flexible.
I would probably be very worried, but I have my blue t-shirt, so I'm fine.
That's the spirit. Clothes are just things.
My sister says I should buy more colorful shirts, but I like this one.
It suits you perfectly. It matches your eyes.
Oh, thank you. I never thought about that.
It's true. Blue is a very calm and peaceful color.
Maybe that's why I like it so much.
The line for your gate is starting to form, Tom.
We still have a few minutes. Let's get some coffee.
This is my favorite photo. It's a sunset in Bali.
Wow, the colors are so bright. It looks like a painting.
I had to climb a mountain at 4 a.m. to take that shot.
4 a.m.? I am usually fast asleep at that time.
It was worth it. The air was so cold and fresh at the top.
I like hiking too, but I prefer the forest to the mountains.
Forests are great for photos too. The light through the trees is magical.
In my hometown, we have a very old forest with giant oak trees.
You should take photos there. Nature is beautiful everywhere.
I mostly take photos of my friends and my dog, Max.
What kind of dog is Max? I love dogs.
He's a golden retriever. He's very messy, but very kind.
I miss having a pet, but I travel too much to have a dog.
Max stays with my parents when I'm away. He misses me, I think.
I'm sure he does. Dogs always know when you are leaving.
He saw my suitcase and hid under the bed this morning.
Poor Max. He wants to go to Tokyo with you.
He would love the parks there, but the plane is too small for him.
Maybe one day they will have doggy air for traveling pets.
That would be a very loud and happy flight.
I'm showing you another video. This is a street market in Morocco.
There are so many people and so many colors. Is it noisy?
Very. Everyone is shouting and selling spices and carpets.
I would like to visit a place like that. It feels very alive.
It is, but you have to be careful with your wallet there.
I keep mine in a secret pocket. I'm a very careful person.
That's smart. I once lost my phone in a fountain in Spain.
In a fountain? Were you taking a selfie?
Yes, I slipped and splash. The phone didn't like the water.
At least you have a funny story to tell now.
This coffee is surprisingly good for an airport cafe.
It's very hot. I have to wait before I drink mine.
So, Tom, what's the first thing you'll do in Japan?
I think I'll find a small ramen shop and eat a big bowl of noodles.
Good choice. Ramen is the soul of Japanese food.
And then I'll just walk around and get lost in the city.
Getting lost is the best way to find the most interesting places.
That's what I think too. I don't want a strict schedule.
I have a schedule, but I always break it if I find something cool.
Like a hidden bakery or a beautiful street musician?
Exactly. Those are the moments that make travel special.
You're making me even more excited for my trip, Luna.
I'm glad. Travel should be about joy and discovery.
My coffee is finally cool enough to drink. Delicious.
I like my coffee with a lot of sugar and milk.
I like mine black. It helps me stay awake for the flight.
I can sleep anywhere, on a plane, on a bus, even in a noisy cafe.
I wish I had that talent. I usually just watch movies all night.
I'll give you my secret, a soft neck pillow and a good eye mask.
I don't have those. I just have my backpack and my hoodie.
You can use your hoodie as a pillow. Just roll it up.
Hey, you're right. That's a great travel hack.
See? You're becoming a pro traveler already.
I'm learning from the best. Thank you, Luna.
We should take a pre-travel selfie together, Tom.
Sure. I'll try to look like a brave explorer.
Perfect. Look at our happy faces.
I'll send it to my mom. She'll be happy to see I have a friend.
And I'll post it on my blog later. Met a nice guy at the airport.
That's me, the nice guy in the blue shirt.
My gate is finally open. Look at the line moving.
Mine is starting to call my zone too. It's time to go.
It was so nice meeting you, Tom. You made the delay fly by.
I feel the same way, Luna. Thank you for the tips and the laughs.
Good luck in Tokyo. Take many photos of Max's master.
I will, and enjoy your pasta in Rome. Eat a bowl for me too.
I will. I'll tag you in my post if you give me your Instagram.
I don't have Instagram, but here is my email. Let's stay in touch.
I'll send you my Rome photos. I promise they will be beautiful.
I'm looking forward to them. Safe travels, Luna.
Safe travels, Tom. Have an amazing time in Japan.
I am walking to my gate now. My heart is racing a little.
That's just the adventure calling you. Go for it.
Goodbye, Luna. See you on the other side of the world.
Goodbye, Tom. Have the best trip ever.